There's been quite a buzz around this superstar as she's been on a warpath through the women's division.
Oh, I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb! Into the leg blower! She can't possibly come back from that.
Kick out! Oh my God!
That's impossible. I can't believe what we just saw.
And now it's reload time. Time out.
Kick to the gut. What now? Code red. Amazing execution. Schoolboy. No, rolls through. Super kick. The W is well in hand.
Got a boot in the face.
Look at this. Just one of... great awareness as she proves to be too quick. Choke slam right into the knee.
Saw that one coming.
And responds with a counter of their own. Now we know what the five fingers say to the face.
Breaker. On the ropes, referee breaks the count.
Kick to the gut. What now? Code red. If that's not it, I don't know what is.
Two. Shoulders up. Shoulders up.
How close was that?
That was about as close as it could get without it all being over for her.
The heaviest artillery has been used, but it's not enough for the three.
Evading offense.
Have you ever seen such disdain from this superstar for the other?
This is so chaotic.
They've taken it to a new level here tonight.
Well, I don't think either one of these superstars will ever be the same after this match.
These two showing how well scouted they each are.
Kick to the gut. What now? Code red. Will that prove to be enough this time?
And a kick out. No one saw that coming.
Are we sure that wasn't three? Just about as close as you can get.
I don't know if there's more frustration or desperation in the ring now, knowing that you've tried to end this and failed.
Watch out! Suicide dive to the outside.
Cole does it better. Absolutely throwing all caution to the wind.
Spinning in the face of danger. She avoids the contact.
She's taking some big hits here.
Get back here. Leg lariat.
Springboard misses the target.
Running Hurricane Rana.
Beautiful.
Steps through, looking for the figure four submission. Looking to bridge up in moments. Here it comes. Figure eight.
Think about all the pain she's in right now.